We introduced these color codes in Series 1 in a logical fashion. In all the episodes of this Series 2, we request the viewers to make note of these color codes while going through the notes mentioned on the screen that are coded with these color codes. One may find an additional green color coded words. The mystery of this green personality is elaborately revealed in Series 3 with a variety of evidences from all world cultures. The 1914 Bible prophecy is very near to truth about the duration of one cycle of heaven and hell being 5,000 years. The verse mentioned on the slide clearly mention about the duration of the period of hell, the Sheol, the Hades, night in the world, which is 2,520 years as per the prophecy. The start date as well as the end date is mentioned in this prophecy. The first reference mentions the 2520 years began in October 607 BCE when Jerusalem fell to the Babylonians and the Davidic king was taken off his throne. The period ended in October 1914. At that time, the appointed times of the nations ended, and Adam, the man made in the image of God, was installed as God's heavenly king. One who has seen the episodes in Series 1, mainly the first 10, can easily understand the meaning of this sentence. Adam is Arjuna, the Shiva Shankara, Rudra. The King David is the crescent moon about whom we have presented the world evidences in Series 3. The word Jerusalem is the dual form of Shiva and Shankara. The elaborate meaning of the Hebrew word Jerusalem is covered in Series 3. The appointed times of the nations in plural, is about the 7 divided irreligions. The end of their time is said to be 1914. However, the right time is 1936, as mentioned on the right side note. The 1914 prophecy is close to the true knowledge being imparted by Shiva Shankara currently, meaning Jehovah self-manifested in Adam now. The right year is 1936, which starts 500 years before the Christian Common Era began and ends in 2036. Adam Arjuna Shankara is the one who is made in the image of Jehovah, that is Shiva. Next prophecy, which is partly mentioned here, is the courtyard outside the temple sanctuary has been given to the nations, and they will trample the holy city underfoot for 42 months, that is 1260 days, which is actually in years. The correct period of the Iron Age, when the 7 irreligions will trample the holy city, the giver of light, the Bharata, under its foot for 1250 years. In fact, each of the 4 ages, the golden, the silver, the copper, and the iron age, is 1250 years, as already proven through the earlier episodes in this series too. Next prophecy from Daniel mentions, let its heart be changed from that of a human, and let it be given the heart of a beast, and let 7 times pass over it. This is by the decree of watchers, and the request is by the word of the holy ones, so that the people living may know that the Most High is ruler in the kingdom of mankind, and that he gives it to whomever he wants, and he sets up over it even the lowliest of men. The 7 clashing opinion irreligions are the lowliest of men without the mankind, who are the rulers in the hellish period called the night, the 2500-year night, where there is no mankind. In this period, the Most High ruler of the world is also given the heart of a beast, so that he can be the conqueror over the 7 who try to trample the holy city, the giver of light, the Bharata. Thus, the 7 times Passover, or the 2500 years of hell, is the time of the 7 kingdoms, the divided irreligions, the Islam, Buddhism, Christianity, Sannyasa, Muslim, Sikh, and Arya Samaj. These 7 are depicted as the Sapta Rishis in the Gita and other Hindu scriptures, and as 7 angels, 7 dragons, 7 serpents, 7 sins, 7 plagues in other religious scriptures. The detailed evidences on the same are presented in Series 3. The next prophecy from Daniel mentions about the 4 beasts, the 10 horns, the 10 kings. The 4 beasts are the 4 major religions. That is, the first one, the deity religion, which becomes full of darkness and is called Hinduism in the period of the night, called hell, and the other 3 are Islam, Buddhism, and Christianity. They are the 4 Manus as mentioned in the Gita and 4 prophets or 4 springs or 4 horses in other scriptures. The 10 horns, meaning all the 10 clashing opinion religions, namely the above mentioned 7 plus the atheist religion of Russia, established by Lenin and Stalin, which is not counted by the God because their main responsibility is to create the deadly weapon of destruction of the world, plus the other 2 called as Sun and Moon dynasty of the first deity religion. All of them become demonic at the end of the Iron Age. They are depicted as the 10 heads of Ravana. We would like to reiterate that all these Bible verses may be easily understood through the world pictorial evidences in the Series 3. We request the viewers to watch the 3 series and the episodes within the series in the numbered sequence. We have used questioning technique where each and every point is questioned and answered in the most practical manner, supported by religious scriptural references and other authentic evidences, and thus are arranged in logically meaningful flow.